Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss aquaresia. What is aquaresia? This is a mixture of, it is a mixture of 1 part concentrated HNO3 and 3 parts of concentrated HCl. 1 part of concentrated HNO3 and 3 parts of concentrated HCl is called aquaresia. So what is the use? Aquaresia is used to dissolve. It is used to dissolve gold, platinum, or used to extract gold metal or platinum metal. Gold metal or platinum metal. What is the principle involved? The principle is gold or platinum form soluble complex. They form the soluble complexes. Now what is the technique taking place? when that is the mixture is treated with gold or platinum, then what happens? Gold in the presence of acid medium react with nitrate ions and chlorides to give what? AuCl4 complex. What is the name of the complex? Tetrachloroaurate. Along with that one, NO and water are formed. Here what is happening? NO3 minus, here oxidation state 5, whereas in this case oxidation state 2. So itself reduced. Whereas it acts as oxidizing agent. So NO3 minus oxidizes Rm into auric chloride, tetrachloroaurate. This is called tetrachloroaurate. Tetrachloroaurate is the complex. Now here Rm oxidation state is 0, whereas gold oxidation state in this one is +3. So increase in oxidation state. Thus we say what? Au is oxidized to Au +3 or AuCl4 minus complex. This is happening. So what is the overall equation? Gold is oxidized into gold complex, soluble complex. Au is oxidized into tetrachloroaurate. This is called tetrachloroaurate. NO3 itself reduced into NO, and in the presence of acidic medium, here the byproduct is water. Now here change in oxidation state. 0 changes into +3 here. Here also +5 changes into +2. So the decrease is 3 and increase also 3. No need to balance them. Now we have to balance oxygen only. Now how many oxygens are there? Let us see how many oxygens are there. Here 3 oxygens. Here 3 oxygens only. Here is 1. Now one more. So we need 2 more oxygens. Thus hydrogens are 4H plus. This is the balanced equation. What is the name of this one? The name of the complex is tetrachloroaurate. Aurate means negative complex with oxidation state 3. And you remember there is DsP2 hybridation. The shape of the hybridation of the complex is DsP2 with the square planar. This is a point we have to remember, square planar. Now it is happening in which one? Gold. In case of platinum, same manner, nitrate is reduced to NO. Platinum is oxidized into hexachloroplatinate. hexachloroplatinate. Now here oxidation state 5, here oxidation state 2. The difference is 3 is there. In this one platinum is 0 oxidation state. In this one platinum on oxidation we will get plus 4. On calculation we get 4. The difference is 4. 4 and 3 are made equal by multiplying with 3, and this is multiplied with 4. Then the equation is made balanced. So we are taking what? 3 PET changes into 3 PTCl6 minus 2, and 4 NO3 minus are changing into 4 NO. Now how many chlorines are there? 3, 6 are 18. So we should take 18 chloride ions. And how many oxygens here? 12 are there. Already 4. So we need 8 H2O. So for 8 H2O, the H plus are 16 H plus ions we are taking. So this is the balancing of the equation. Now what are the principle here involved? NO is itself reduced. It is reduced, act as oxidizing agent, or NO3 minus oxidizes platinum into hexachloroplatinate. Platinum from 0 to platinum plus 4. There is a oxidation, oxidized. Clear? Right. What is the hybridation of this one? The hybridation of hexachloroplatinate. Please remember, for platinum coordination number 6, the hybridation is D2sp3. So the shape is octahedral. Thus, due to the formation of the soluble complex, the gold and platinum get dissolved in aqua regia. This is about the reagent aqua regia. Okay, thank you.